5.2010 Toyota Corolla 4 doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I4, 1.8 L110, FWD-CRUISE control, front-wheel drive, power steering, front disc rear drum brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, temporary spare tire, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, trip computer, remote trunk release, power door locks, power windows, vehicle anti-theft system, AC, rear defrost, auxiliary power outlet, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, four-wheel anti-lock brake system, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime,